How do you even know the right type of visual or chart to use for your dashboard? In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the common types of visuals and when to use them. And at the end of this video, you're going to get a gift from me. Knowing the right chart or visual to use for your dashboards, your reports, starts from having clear objectives. You need to set clear objectives for your dashboard. And when you've done this, selecting the right visual becomes easy. For example, you want to see total population or total customers or maybe total revenue. You can use the card visual or the table visual. Next, if you want to see the trend of a value or a key metric over a period of time, you can use a line chart, an area chart, or even spark lines. For example, the trend of Africans' population size from year 2000 to present, or the trend of the cash flow over time. Next, if you want to see comparison, that is, if you want to see how different categories compare against a value, you can use a column chart, a bar chart, or a line chart, or even a map visual for geographical data. For example, cost versus revenue comparison or population comparison for African countries. Next, if you want to see composition or percentage of contribution, you can use a pie chart or a donut chart or a stacked 100% bar chart or a stacked 100% column chart. Next, if you want to see the distribution of values in a data, you can use a histogram. For example, you want to see the distribution of customer ages in the customer data. You can use a histogram to visualize that. Next, if you want to see the relationship between variables, you can use a scatter chart or a bubble chart. For example, the relationship between poverty index and mortality rate for a given region. And finally, if you want to quickly identify patterns across two categorical dimensions, use a heat map. For example, comparing website visits or website traffic across the days of the week and hours of the day. Here you can see on which days and on what hours a website is mostly visited. And this is very useful for marketing. And now the part that you've been waiting for, my gift to you. I have collated a list of highly recommended data visualization books and resources to help you learn storytelling and build better design skills. And I have shared the links to get them in the description and comments. Thank you for sticking with me, and I'll see you in my next video.